Hi there. Right now I'm going to show you how to earn money by t-shirt designing. Now you know how to design a t-shirt, and right now we are going to learn how you will earn money or how you will generate revenue from t-shirt designing. So at first I'm going to introduce with you a site that is fiverr.com. It is widely popular website, and this is a service-based marketplace. So in here you have to create a gigs. Let me explain you how fiverr.com works. So this is a search bar. I'm going to type t-shirt design. Okay, here is the search suggestion, t-shirt design. Okay, you can take a look. 13,046 services available. Okay, so you can take a look. There are lots of gigs are available in here. Likewise, this Jahid Saif, this seller, he is offering, I will create eye-catching t-shirt designs, and his prices offers with $10. Okay, so let me open these gigs. Okay, you can take a look. This is his gigs offer, and the name of his gig is I will create eye-catching t-shirt design. And you can take a look. He have 2,386 review, and he have 20 orders in queue. So can you imagine how much revenue he is generating? And his basic price is $10. His standard price is $15, and his premium price is $25. So likewise, like these gigs, there are tons of gigs are available. So you have to create a gigs, and you have to offer yourself that what type of service you are going to provide to the client. So if you want to earn money from the t-shirt design, then you have to sign up in fiverr.com, and then you have to create a gigs. And in your gigs you have to describe details about your service, that you will design a eye-catching t-shirt, you will design a typography t-shirt, you will design some kind of black and white t-shirt, and the service you will offer, you have to describe it on your gigs. And then you have to upload it. You have to upload the gigs in fiverr.com. And when your gig will be published on marketplace, then you have to wait a little. And when a buyer will take a look on your gigs, and if the buyer feel interested that he can hire you, then buyer will contact with you through the Fiverr, and you have to convince to the buyer that you have to prove yourself that you are capable for designing a t-shirt, and if you have to show some portfolio of your work, or you can send to buyer some kind of simple work. And when the buyer and you will have the price negotiation, and once the buyer decide to hire you, then he can order a gigs from you, and then buyer will give you the requirements, and you have to fulfill the requirements, and you have to design a t-shirt as per his requirement. Then you have to submit it, and once you will submit to the buyer, and when your design will be accepted by the buyer, you will get the revenue from the buyer. Okay, this is one of the best way, and you can take a look. 13,000 services are available for the t-shirt design. So you can imagine that the demand or trend of these gigs or trend of this t-shirt designing are really high. So you can use fiverr.com for earning money from the t-shirt designing. So you can take a look. Likewise, this first gigs, I will do trendy t-shirt design for you. So let me open this one. Let me find some another. I will design and illustrate graphics trendy custom merch t-shirt. I will do minimalist typography t-shirt design. Let me open this one. Okay, so in here we can take a look in this gigs. It says I will do minimalist typography t-shirt design, and you can take a look. Here are some samples work that this seller, this in Anima, this seller have done, and here is some samples, and you can take a look. Different type of typography portfolios are available in here, and we learned about these designs, how to do that. Okay, so you can take a look. This seller, he have or she have 349 review, and she have or he have 24 order in queue, and the basic price of this gigs is $15. It's have $40 for the standard, and for the premium it's up $60. So you have to create some gigs like this one, and inside the gigs you have to write the description about your t-shirt, and you can take a look. Here is written, hi there, I'm here to provide you the best of typography design for your t-shirt. So you have to type that what type of service you are going to provide with these gigs. You have to type it, and then you have to upload in fiverr.com. So from the services number you can understand this fiverr.com is one of the best place for earning by the t-shirt designing. So you just have to focus with the fiverr.com. Okay, let me close these tabs. Now let me open another, that is graphicriver.net. You can take a look, graphicriver.net. This is a website from Envato, and this graphicriver.net, it's also a widely popular website. So let me explain you two things, the use of Graphicriver and Fiverr. Fiverr.com, it's a website for active income. That means you will work for the client and you will get the money from the client. This is called active income. But if you work in graphicriver.net, you will have the passive income, because in here you have to upload a specific design in here, and then you will get the sales and you will get the revenue for a long. So that's called passive income. So Fiverr is for active income, and graphicriver.net, it's a very good site for passive income. So you just have to sign up in graphicriver.net or in Envato website, and then you have to upload some kind of t-shirt design in here. Okay, it seems the t-shirt design template one. Let me open this design and let me explain you how this graphicriver.net is working. So you can take a look. This is a t-shirt design template, and it's uploaded by this Barcon, by the seller, and this seller have 4 rating and they got 5-star rating. Okay, and they have 67 sales, and the price for this t-shirt design is $9. So you can take a look. They uploaded, they created a designs already, and after creating this design, this seller, this Barcon, this seller uploaded his product or uploaded his t-shirt design in Graphicriver, and Graphicriver have some standard for getting approval your product or getting approval your t-shirt design on their stores. So when your design will be approved, or when your design meets the requirement for getting approval in graphicriver.net, then your product will be live on their store and you can set a price. Likewise, for this design, this seller offered $9, and this seller got 67 sales. So for each sales, the sellers are earning money from here. But you can take a look. Here is $9 that seller is offered, but the seller is not getting the entire $9 because this Envato marketplace or Graphicriver, they have the commission. So you have to provide the commission to the graphicriver.net, and then the rest of the money you will get on your account. So every time your design will be sold, every time you will get the revenue. So this is the one of the best way for passive income, and you can use this graphicriver.net for selling your t-shirt or for uploading your t-shirt. So more product you will have on the store, more sale you will generate. Okay, now I'm going to introduce with you about the teespring.com. This is one of the most popular website in the world for selling your t-shirt. This teespring.com is widely and a popular website, and this is a highly preferable site for selling your t-shirt design. So you just have to sign up in here, and you can take a look, sell anything, sell everywhere, or start designing. So you have to sign up in here, and then you have to upload your design in here, and once you will have your design approved, then you will be able to sell your t-shirt design in teespring.com. So you just have to sign up in here, and then you have to start selling your design in teespring.com. Okay, the next one is Merge by Amazon. Okay, Merge by Amazon, it's a popular website, and now everyone knows about the Amazon, and Merge by Amazon, this is one of the best site for selling your t-shirt design. In here, you don't need to create a physical t-shirt. You just have to upload your design. You just have to upload your artwork, and then other task will be completed by the Amazon. So let me show you. You can take a look. Here is resources option. Okay, and in here you will get this download product templates. Okay, you can take a look. There are different type of templates are available, and you will have the template for the Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and for GIMP also. So in which platform or in which software you want to use for designing a t-shirt, you have to download the template from here. And once you will download the template from here, you have to design, or you have to create some artwork for the t-shirt designing. And once you are done with the designing, you have to sign in Merge by Amazon. Then you have to upload your artwork or upload your design. Then your design will be reviewed, and once your design get approved, your product will be live in main website of Amazon. And when someone will buy that product, or when someone will buy that t-shirt, Amazon will perform, or Amazon will create a t-shirt for that buyer, and Amazon will deliver the product, or Amazon will deliver the t-shirt on behalf of them, and you will get a revenue because your design is sold. So this is one of the great site for earning money just by uploading your artwork or t-shirt design. So you can focus on Merge by Amazon, you can focus on Teespring, you can focus on Graphicriver, you can focus on Fiverr.com. These four sites are 100% trusted, and you can generate a huge amount of revenue from this site because all these sites are trusted. So let me summarize this four site once again. Fiverr.com, this is a very good source for earning actively, because you just have to upload the gigs and you will get the buyer order and you have to design it. Then you will get the you will get the graphicriver.net. In here, this is one of the best site for passive income. So you just have to upload your t-shirt design and you will get the sales for a lifetime. And for every single sale, you will get the revenue. As well as Teespring, this is one of the good site for passive income. You have to upload your design and you have to get approved your design, and once your design will get sell, you will get the commission, or you will get the revenue. As well as final, the merge by Amazon, you just have to upload the design and the rest of the part will be fulfilled by Amazon. So you can consider this fourth side for earning the money. So this one is also a very good source for passive income. This one is also very good for passive income. This one is also a very good for passive income, and for the active income you can consider this fiverr.com. So you have to start sign up on this fiverr.com, as well as graphicreader.net, Teespring, and merge by Amazon. You just have to sign up in there and you have to start uploading your design. When you will sign up on there, you will get the direction, because each website have different type of policy, so you just have to fulfill their requirement. Then you will be able to sell your t-shirt, or then you will be able to sell your service. So I am wishing you a very good sales from here, and I'm wishing you a happy journey of t-shirt design for generating your review. So dear friend and dear students, let's start the earning. So see you in next lesson. Till then, bye bye.